Document storage can be used with RotaCloud's Pro package. This allows you to store all your company and employee documents in one place. Documents can also be set to require acknowledgement or a signature. To add a document via the Documents page, go to Company and then Documents. You'll see a list of all company documents currently uploaded and can click the blue plus icon to upload a new one. Click Choose File and select the file you'd like to add. You can then click the Visibility drop-down and choose who you'd like to share the document with. This can be just yourself and other admins, all users on the account, or custom employees. If you choose Custom, you can tick the employees you'd like to share the document with and can enable document acknowledgement. Once you've made your selections, click Upload and your file will be imported. Documents uploaded to an employee's profile are only visible to admins and managers depending on their permissions by default. You can, however, choose to share the file with the employee themselves and require a signature. To do this, go to Company and select Employees. Click the user you'd like to upload a document for, then go to the Documents section of their account here on the left. To upload a new document, click the blue plus icon. You can then click Choose File and select the file you'd like to import. If you'd like to share the file and have it signed, click the Share Document with Employee option. To require a signature, tick the next option, This document requires a signature. Once your options have been made, click Upload and your file will be imported.